My name's Tom Connery. I'm Program Manager for the Water Utilities Department for the City of Waco. And I was privileged to participate in the building of the wetland and now the expansion of the services that are provided out here. What I'd like to talk about today is the nutrient removal process that occurs in the wetlands. When we have water come in, we have a lot of dirt in the water, which is sediment, and some nutrients are related to that sediment, and they're actually hooked onto that sediment. So when the sediment falls out, we remove some nutrients that way. However, there's a lot of biological processes that occur in order to remove things like nitrogen and phosphorus. And Waco's wetland really does a very, very good job of removing nutrients. It really removes about 90% of the sediments and about 80% of the nitrogen and about 70% of the phosphorus that comes into the wetland. So that's a significant reduction in the amount of nutrients that go back into our lake. What I'd like to do is show you a little bit about the plants and everything that we have out here. You'll notice that we have a lot of different types of plants. Some are small, some are tall, and so they react a little bit differently to support natural processes, which include insects, which include bacteria, and all kinds of other things that help to take up these nutrients and use them. And one of these things is this algae. We have a lot of algae that is in the wetland. The wetland overall is very, very shallow. As you can see, it's only a couple inches deep right here. And so that enables a lot of contact area for the algae to take up some of the nitrogen, and then when it releases it, it usually releases it as a nitrogen gas, which then is transferred to the air, because a large part of our atmosphere is nitrogen. So these are the actual hard workers of the wetlands, is the algae and the bacteria, but the plants are critical because the plants provide that substrate or that place for the bacteria and the algae to grow and to get the job done. Another thing that you'll see is you'll see a lot clearer water here than at the infall, and that'll be something that is just a function of the dirt falling out of the water before it's discharged back into the lake.